Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying to learn a little bit of Kurdish. I don't know Kurdish. I don't know, like I don't even know how to say hello. So I thought it should be a good idea for me to try. I don't promise you I'm gonna remember, but I'm gonna try at least, you know, try a little bit. Try to say a few things in Kurdish, so whenever I make my videos I could say something, at least one word. What do you think? So don't forget to give it a thumbs up to this video. You know the drill. Subscribe, thumbs up, you know the drill. Okay, so let me go ahead over here and watch this video. So let's see how we do.
Hello, I'm from Kurdistan today, and
Okay girl, she's gonna teach me
phrases in Kurdish Surani dialect.
Kurdistan dialect.
The first word is hello.
Hello. Okay, I don't know how to say hello. I just said hello.
Slow. When
Slow. Like slow or slow?
you meet someone, you can say
Slow.
Slow. You can say slow.
It's slow? Hold on girl. You said slow or slow? Hold on.
Slow. You can say slow.
It's slow. Slow. Okay. Slow.
Second phrase is good morning.
Good morning.
And
Yes.
when you meet someone in the morning, you can say Bayani Bash.
Biani bash.
Third phrase,
Okay, hold on. She's going too fast. Girl, slow down.
Bayani Bash.
Hold on. I need
Morning, you can say Bayani Bash.
Biani bash. Biani bash. Slow. Biani bash.
Third phrase is how are you?
How are you? I think I know how are you. It's like Tony or Tony. Something with a Tony. I don't know.
Tony. When
Yeah, Tony.
you meet someone, you can say how are you? Tony.
Tony. Okay, yes. It's like somebody's name. Like Tony. Yes.
Is fine, good.
Fine and good. So this is like how to. Okay. So Tony. Bash.
When somebody asks you how are you? Tony. You can say I'm good. Bash. Phrase.
Bash. Okay, girl, she's going too fast, y'all. So if somebody say Tony, I'm gonna say Bashin.
I'm good. Bash. Phrase is nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Hoşçakalın Banasi.
Oh no, girl, you gotta stop. Okay, again, nice to meet you. Let me try it. Hoş halam ba. Okay, again. Hoş halam ban asine. Hoş halam ba asine. Is that how you say it? Oh, girl, I think I speak Kurdish.
Banasi. When you meet someone new, you can say nice to meet you. Hoşçakalın Banasi.
Oh, hoş halam ban asine. Oh! Thumbs up this video because I'm learning for you.
Phrase, I hope you are well. Iwadarım Bashbi.
Oh no, I hope you are well. Ewadarum bashbi.
When you speak someone on the phone, you can say, I hope you are well.
Okay, so I'll be like, I hope you're well, girl. Ewadarum bashbi.
Iwadarım Bashbi. Yes.
Oh, girl, I'm good. Listen, I might not know, but I think I'm good. It's in my nature.
The next phrase is, what is your name? Now, Tia. When you meet someone new, you can ask, what's your name?
What's your name, girl? Now, what's your name? Now, Tia.
Phrase is, my name is.
My name is.
Naum. You can say.
My name is Naum. Is that a name? What?
My name is Rukhsar. Naum Rukhsar.
No, it's Itsdro.
Yes. The next phrase is, where are you from?
Where are you from?
Wait.
Let me try it. Doe hal kay way.
You meet someone new, you can say, where are you from?
Do hal kway.
The next phrase is, I am from Kurdistan.
I'm from Kurdistan. Min halki Kurdistan. Mi halking Mexico.
For example, I'll say, I'm from Kurdistan. Min halki Kurdistan.
Mu halking Mexico.
The next phrase is, are you American? To halki American. If you ask someone,
Tu halki Americate? No, I'm not. there you go, everybody. I think this video was really fun to do. Of course, I need to practice if I want to learn these words for real. But I do know Tony, slow, Tony, Bashmoon. That's it, that's all I remember. But I did my best, so please do not judge me. I do what I can. I love you guys so much. More Kurdish reactions are coming. You know the drill. You know they're coming. Just be patient. Okay, bye everyone. Bye. Oh, I have a new video, a new reaction. So if you did not watch it, go ahead. It's right here on the screen. Go ahead.